In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Buffer's list view to manage and edit scheduled posts. We'll start by opening Buffer. As soon as it loads, you'll land on the Publish dashboard, which is the central place for planning and reviewing all your upcoming social content. This dashboard is designed to give you a quick snapshot of what's scheduled and what's coming next. At the top of the page, you'll see two primary viewing options. Click List, which you'll find at the top right beside Calendar. Switching to List View gives you a clean, streamlined look at your content, perfect for rapid reviews and quick edits without hopping through dates on a calendar. Your scheduled posts will now appear in a vertical list, organized so you can see the published times, the connected channel, and a preview of the content. Take a moment to scroll through your content queue. This scrolling view makes it easy to scan what's lined up and assess cadence, variety, and timing at a glance. As you move through the list, check your upcoming scheduled posts to confirm that captions look right, links are correct, and images or videos are attached as intended. This is a great time to spot gaps, duplicates, or anything that might need a final polish before it goes live. When you see a post you want to refine, click the post. That opens the post editor or details panel where you can make updates without leaving the workflow. From here, you can edit the text, adjust hashtags, swap or add media, and fine-tune anything that needs improvement. If you make changes, be sure to save or update so the edits are applied to the scheduled version. Need to change the timing? Use the reschedule controls to pick a new date and time, then confirm. This is especially helpful if you notice overlapping posts, an important announcement you want to prioritize, or a slot that would perform better at a different hour. If a post is no longer needed, choose Delete and confirm to remove it from the queue, keeping your schedule tidy and relevant. Continue reviewing and adjusting as needed. List View is excellent for a simple, organized workflow because it reduces distractions and lets you focus on what matters, the content and its timing. When you're done, you'll have a clean, well-planned queue ready to publish, efficient, accurate, and aligned with your goals.